Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make rosemary tea from home, and I will also be sharing the benefits of this tea. Now let's get started. So to start off, you will need rosemary leaves, which you'll just need a teaspoon to make a cup of tea. And the water that I'm using will be 295 ml. So I'll start by preparing the rosemary leaves. So what I do is chop them, and this is to help it infuse better when I'm cooking it. Once you're done with chopping your rosemary, add your water to your pot. So there are two alternatives. You can either bring the water to a boil and add in the rosemary leaves and let it sit there for about 5 to 10 minutes. The other alternative, which I prefer doing, is put my water and add my rosemary leaves to it, and this helps it to boil together and just get all those flavors from the rosemary. So that's how I prefer doing it. So you can either choose either method and bring it to a boil depending on how flavorful you want to have your tea. So once your tea has come to a boil, it is ready to serve. I will also show you or share with you guys the benefits of rosemary tea. So let's get into that first. So there you have it, guys. I really hope you did enjoy this how I make my rosemary tea. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't, and turn on your notification so you're always notified when I have new uploads. I will see you on my next one. Till next time, bye bye.